We're going to show today how the Civic Si 2008 the PCV valve replacement. Where is the PCV valve on this vehicle? Very simple. The PCV valve is actually located right here where you're going to see my hand. All there is this valve right here. This valve right here. It has a hose that connects to the manifold to the side. Over time the hose will actually deteriorate and you will start having gases, fumes. And if this gets plugged, the gases, there's no way to escape. So that's what we're going to do today. Let's start.